Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Sorry I'm going to be a little bit quiet. My son took a nap. It's a miracle. I am not used to this. He never takes a nap by himself unless it's in the car. So I'm here to share with you guys the coupon inserts that we are getting this Sunday. Now there's going to be 4 inserts, 2 smart sources, and 2 retail me not. So I'm just here to share with you guys what we're getting. I just type in coupon inserts for the Sunday that I'm looking for, and usually there's a couple of websites, but this is SundayPaperCoupons.com. They're always pretty good on showing you guys it. Another thing I want to mention is please keep in mind that not everybody gets the same coupon. So as you guys coupon more and more, you know what you do and do not get. If you guys do need to get special coupons, I always recommend like ordering from somebody or like a website like Clip to Save or We Coupon Clips, whatever. Just wanted to give you guys a heads up on that. But here is the inserts that we're getting. So we're going to start with Smart Source. So here we got Ajax, 25 cents off of that. Believe, 4 off of 1. Atkins, Bayer, Betty Crocker, 50 cents off of 2. Blue, which looks like they're dog bones. C&H. Clairol, we're getting 3 off of 1, 3 off of 1, 3 off of 1. I feel like we get those all the time. Clorox, we're getting $1 off of 2. Colgate toothpaste is $1 off of 1, and $1 off of 1 mouthwash, and $1 off of 1 special toothpaste. Cottonelle, 50 cents, 50 cents. CoverGirl, we're getting a 2 off of 1, a 2 off of 1, a 2 off of 1. Now those coupons are available on coupons.com. CVS Pharmacy has some coupons, which it's up to you guys if you guys like those. Good Culture, cottage cheese, Halls, $1 off of 2. It is going to be, you know, people getting sick, so those coupons will be coming out like crazy. Irish Springs, 50 cents off of 1 of the bar soap, $1 off of the 1 body wash. Kleenex, Miralax, Nature Valley, Phillips, Pillsbury, 50 cents off of 1. Purina dog food, Sally Henson, we're getting $1 off of 1 and 2 off of 1. Scott's Tissue, 50 cents off of 1, and the bath towel, 50 cents off of 1. Viva paper towels, 50 cents off of 1. Then for the second smart source, we're getting Allegra, Bausch & Lomb, Blink, 3 off of 1. Those are sometimes really good coupons to get at Walgreens. Not sure what they're having for sale this month, but there might be some decent sales. Dole canned fruit, 75 cents and 50 cents. Mitchum deodorant, $1 off of 1. Nasocort and Tabasco. And then here is what is in the Retail Me Not. So we got Angel Soft, Aussie, 2 off of 2. Barilla, 1 off of 4. Dial Soap, 1 off of 2. The body wash is 1 off of 2. Herbal Essence, 2 off of 2. The Bio Renew is 3 off of 2. Olay, 2 off of 1. Pantene is 4 off of 2. Hold on, I got somebody at my door. Okay, so I'm back again. So we got 4 off of 2. And then the Quilted Northern, 50 cents off of 1. Right Guard, $1 off of 1. Sparkle, 1 off of 1. Stainmaster, 75 cents off of 1. So that's one insert. Now we're on the next insert for Retail Me Not, and these are good coupons, so I definitely recommend getting inserts, you guys. If you guys don't get these coupons, I usually order mine. But Garnier Fructis, 3 off of 2. Garnier Nutris, 2 off of 1. The Skin Active, we're getting 50 cents off of sheet masks. 2 off of 1 of the moisturizer and cleanser. The Whole Blends, we're getting 2 off of 1. L'Oreal. I don't see any good L'Oreal. There we got $3 off of 2. L'Oreal, $5 off of 2. Hair color. Renews It's $1.50 off of 2, and then buy 3 get 1 free. And then the Suave body wash is 75 cents. So that is what is coming out in these inserts this Sunday. So I know for sure I don't get any of these last Retail Me Nots. I do not get any of those. So it's good to, you know what you're getting. But just want to say thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye bye.